Enrolling in a roof maintenance program is one of the best ways to protect your home and extend the life of your roof. But what exactly are the benefits? Let's break it down. First, a roof maintenance program includes regular inspections, typically twice a year, to catch issues early. By identifying problems like loose shingles or clogged gutters before they get worse, you can avoid costly repairs. Regular maintenance also helps prevent small issues from becoming major problems. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of unexpected and expensive repairs, saving you money in the long run. Another key benefit is extending the lifespan of your roof. A well-maintained roof can last significantly longer, providing effective protection for your home for many years. Maintaining energy efficiency is also important. A roof in good condition helps regulate your home's temperature, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering your energy bills. If your roofing materials come with a warranty, regular maintenance is often required to keep it valid. A maintenance program ensures your roof meets these requirements, protecting your warranty. You'll also enhance your home's curb appeal. A clean, well-maintained roof boosts your property's value and makes it more attractive to potential buyers. Many maintenance programs offer perks like priority service and discounts on repairs, adding even more value. Finally, the peace of mind that comes with knowing your roof is regularly inspected and maintained by professionals is priceless. You can rest easy knowing your roof is in good hands. For more information on the benefits of a roof maintenance program, visit our roof maintenance program page and see how RoofWorks can help you keep your roof in top shape year-round.